They're fly fishing. Oh. Oh, man. Look, he's got one. He's got one, big one, look. Look, big one. Hey, halibut! Halibut on! Halibut on! Halibut on! On the ultralight! Halibut on the ultralight! No! 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 I broke! There we go. Got one. Hey! Let's go! Let's go! All right, taking this guy slowly. Hey guys! No way! It's a perch! It's a perch! It's a perch! Damn it! No! No, it's not a halibut. Whoa! There we go, 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 there we go. Oh my God! Get out! Rita, run out real quick. There we go. There we go. No, it's bigger. There we go. There we go. It's right here. It's gonna run. Watch out, watch out. Watch out, it's right in front of you. Yeah. Oh, what is that? It's a hally.
Oh, dude, no, it's not.
What is that?
Shovel nose.
You're kidding.
You can beach it.
Oh, it is a shovel nose, huh?
Oh. I don't like how that fell. Yeah.
That's a shovel nose. All right. All right, my bad, guys. Gotta come your way. Oh,
I got so excited for you.
oh man, today's gonna be a rough one.
I thought that was it. What are you fishing? What town?
8.
Oh no, dude, it's gonna be a stalemate right here for the next like 20 minutes.
All right. Ultralight rod. All right, I'm just gonna grab it. Nope.
No way, dude.
All right.
Bring it closer, I'll grab it for you.
All right, right there.
No, it's gonna run.
No. All right. Hey, I'll grab it. You guys keep fishing. I'll grab it. It's okay. You guys keep fishing. I'm having fun.
I'm done. It's dark. I got it.
I have no idea anymore. I got it. I got control of him now.
It's gonna take off again.
Watch out. Watch out. All right, you got him now, right? Yo, shovel nose. Hell. That is not fair hooked, but
It's in the mouth. We probably swam over it. You want a picture, honey?
yeah,